Hello dear student, I welcome you all. I am Mrs. Sujata Turle from KK Polytechnic Nasik. In this video, we are going to discuss about the order and degree of differential equation. So let us start. First we see the definition of differential equation. An equation which involves the one or more derivatives or the differentials is called as differential equation. So differential equation means the equation which involves one derivatives or the more derivatives. For example, dy by dx bracket square plus 6 dy by dx plus 8y is equal to sin x. So in this equation there is a derivative dy by dx. So it is a differential equation. Second example, x square into d2y by dx square plus x dy by dx is equal to m into y. So in the second equation, also there are two derivatives, d2y by dx square, that is the second order derivative, and dy by dx, that is the first order derivative. So it is the differential equation. Next is the order and degree of differential equation. So order means the order of the differential equation is the order of the highest derivative which is occurring in the differential equation. So order of the differential equation means the order of highest derivative which is present in that equation. And the degree. The degree of differential equation is the highest power of highest order derivative when the equation has been free from fractions and the radical sign. So to find the degree of differential equation, the first step we have to remove the fraction and radical sign, then find out the degree. So degree means the highest power of highest order derivative. Now we discuss some example. First one is find the order and the degree of differential equations d2y by dx square is equal to 1 plus dy by dx bracket square whole plus 2, 3. So to find the order and degree of differential equation, the first step is write down the given differential equation. Then in this equation there are the two derivatives dy by dx and d2y by dx square. This d2y by dx square means second order derivative and this dy by dx means first order derivative. So the highest order derivative is obviously d2y by dx square. So the highest order derivative is d2y by dx square. So the order of this differential equation is 2. And to find the degree. So degree means the highest power of highest order derivative. So d2y by dx square is the highest order derivative and its power. So its power is here not given. So if the power is not given, that means the power is equal to 1. So the degree of the differential equation is 1. So order is 2 and the degree is equal to 1. Second example, find the order and degree of the differential equations d2y by dx square plus square root of 1 plus dy by dx is equal to 0. So to find the solution, so first step, write down the given differential equation. d2y by dx square plus square root of 1 plus dy by dx is equal to 0. So here there are the two derivatives dy by dx and d2y by dx square. First here dy by dx is nothing but the first order derivative and d2y by dx square is the second order derivative. So order of the differential equation is 2. Now to find the degree. So to find the degree, the first step we have to remove the square root sign. So for that, write this term as d2y by dx square is equal to, just transfer this term to this right hand side so it becomes negative. Then to remove this square root, we have to take the square of both sides. So squaring on both sides. So after squaring, we get here d2y by dx square bracket square is equal to, in bracket, minus square root of 1 plus dy by dx bracket raised to 2. So on squaring, we get d2y by dx square bracket raised to 2 is equal to. So this square of this square root. So this square root get cancelled. So we get here 1 plus dy by dx. Now in this differential equation, again there are two derivatives, dy by dx and d2y by dx square. It is the first order derivative and it is the second order derivative. So highest order is d2y by dx square. So the order of this differential equation is 2. So here the highest order derivative is d2y by dx square. So its order is 2. Order is 2 and now degree. So the power of this highest order derivative is 2. So the degree of the differential equation is 2. Next is third example. Find the order and degree of differential equations. d cube y upon dx cube is equal to k plus dy by dx bracket square whole bracket raised to 3 by 2. Now find the order and degree. First step, write down the given differential equation. So this is the given differential equation. Now this differential equation, there is a fractional index. 3 by 2, it is the fractional index. So to find out the degree, we have to remove that fractional index. To find the degree, the first step, we have to remove that fractional index. So for that, we're squaring on both sides. So after squaring, we get d cube y upon dx cube bracket square is equal to. So on squaring, we get here this 2 get cancelled. On squaring, just remains here 3. So we get the term k plus dy by dx bracket square whole bracket raised to 3. Now here the highest order derivative is d cube y upon dx cube. Here dy by dx is first order derivative and d cube y upon dx cube, it is the third order derivative. So the highest order derivative is d cube y upon dx cube. So its order is 3. So order of the given differential equation is 3. And now to find the degree. So the highest power of this highest order derivative is 2. Here it is the highest order derivative and its power is 2. So its degree is also 2. So the order of the given differential equation is 3 and the degree of that differential equation is equal to 2. Now the fourth example. Find the order and the degree of the differential equation. Square root of dy by dx is equal to cube root of d2y by dx square. So the first step, write down the given differential equation. So just note that in this differential equation, there is a square root and a cube root. So the first step, write down this differential equation in index form. So square root of dy by dx is nothing but dy by dx raised to 1/2 is equal to cube root of d2y by dx square. So just write down it in index form. So we get d2y by dx square cube root, that means 1/3 raised to 1/3. Now in this differential equation, there is the fractional index. So 1/2 and 1/3, this is the fractional index. To find the degree, we have to remove this fractional index. So to find out the degree, we have to remove this fractional index. So for that, here the powers 1/2 and the 1/3 are the fractions. Okay. So just take the LCM of this 2 and 3. Take the LCM of this 2 and 3. So its LCM is 6. So to remove this fractional index, just take the 6th power of both sides. Just take the 6th power of both sides. So we get dy by dx raised to 1/2 whole bracket raised to 6 is equal to d2y by dx square bracket raised to 1/3 whole bracket raised to 6. So by using the law of indices, there is a multiplication between these two terms. So just after simplifying, we get this 1/2 into 6. 1/2 into 6, that is equal to dy by dx raised to 3 is equal to, and in the right hand side term, d2y by dx square. 1 by 3 into 6. 1 by 3 into 6, so it becomes 2. So dy by dx bracket raised to 3 is equal to d2y by dx square bracket square. Now here the fractional index is removed. Now we can find the degree and order of this differential equation. So dy by dx is the first order derivative and d2y by dx square is second order derivative. So d2y by dx square is the highest order derivative. So its order is 2. And now just take the power of this highest order derivative. The power of this highest order derivative is 2. So its degree is equal to 2. So order is equal to 2 and the degree is equal to 2 for the given differential equation. So in this way, we discuss about how to find the order and the degree of the given differential equations. Thank you.